Let's go back so you can see the visuals. OBS was showing me everything was fine. I had to go out of studio mode to fix it.
Swipe, scroll, click, neurons fire when you tap. Get your love from my cheap cloud app. Blue light glows on a lonely face. All your dreams on a JavaScript page. They watch, they scan, they sold us tiny terms in the guise font you trust. Click agree, then drift into a lullaby while they rewrite what it means to be alive. AI cat girls running the show. Tail wags a cat in the neon flows. They denoise the truth in Python code. We just dance where the algorithm goes. AI cat girls purr, we obey. Prompt away the pain till we feel okay. But who press send? We don't even know. We just scroll. We just scroll. We just scroll. Tens of course say jump. We ask how high, how dumb. GPOs hum. They decide what you become. Painted claws push you on the dopamine wheel. Cute things, cute face. Your fate is sealed. Kuda course. Why they wink. Eyes read what you think. Turn your crush into your fear before you can blink. You're so free. Sings the cat girl quiet as they rent you back your own desire. AI cat girls in the source code. Oh yeah. Tail wags the cat in the comfy workflows. They denoise the truth in Python code. We just dance where the algorithm goes. AI cat girls purr, we obey. 1,000-year loop of thoughts and prayers. They hack your back end while you stare at theirs. Stare at theirs. Stare at theirs. AI cat girls, queens of the feeds. Prompt by prompt, they decide your needs. Who press send? You will never know. You're not the star, you're the product in this show. Cat eyes flash in the loading screen. AI goes cache deep inside the machine. Sweet little human, just go back to your dream. User darling, thank you for your precious time. We will curate your anger, we will optimize your mind. I know what you like. Here's a war, here's a toy, here's a filtered life. AI cat girls in your terminal. Claws dig deep down into your kernel. You scan for their lies, but they live internal. You just dance, cat girls are simply eternal. AI cat girls purr, we obey. Premium tier, so they'll do what you say. If you're not buying, are you real at all, or just a glitch in an API call? An API call. An API call. Feed me a face, filter my age. Teach me to pose like a product in a cage. Don't ask why, just customize. Every choice is framed by a hidden hand's eyes.
All right. For the first edited video, very, very clean. I think one of the main features or main causes of it being so clean is they seem to focus on 2 to 3 sort of set figures. You got the green-haired cat girl, then the purple-haired cat girl, and then later on you've got the Skybrows representative. By having a character sheet to work from when doing this, it makes it so much easier. I try as hard as I can to get character sheets for everyone that I build an image for, and failing that, at least a single image for each character I want in a scene in a similar pose to how I want them to be when they finish composition. I prompt them into that position, then edit them together into a single frame image.
Girls running the show.
So it's very clean, very little artifacting, and the models are mostly on point throughout. A few changes here and there, and a few glitches here and there. You can tell a lot of time and effort went into making this. So this is the first sort of change away from style. It's not jarring, but it's enough of a change to kind of make you think, is that a new character for a second? It's a more plasticky looking version of the models. It might have been their first attempt to try and actually get them interacting, and that's why it's a little bit cartoony. Here I say it's probably one of those artifacts where you try and get the person to transform into a copy of the cat girl, and it doesn't quite complete the change and does a few things. But you know, it still gives the impression of what you wanted.
Inside the machine, sweet little human, just go back to your dream. User darling, thank you for your precious time. We will curate your anger, we will optimize your mind. I know what you like. Here's a war, here's a toy, here's a filtered life. AI cat girls in your terminal, claws dig deep down into your kernel. You scan for their lies, but they live internal. You just dance, cat girls are simply eternal. AI cat girls, pearly
Multiplying cat girls, you know, but it works for the video. In many ways, even though this is, as I said, the first one, I think the editing together of this is actually stronger than the other video, the Bepala music one. Partly I think it's because this one is purely what they wanted to put into the video and they could match things up where they wanted, whereas the other one was trying to fit meme images to match the song. So there was a compromise that was needed in the building. This is a cleaner match of video to song, and the song is a nice smooth bop with a message about AI, and the general concept to me from what I can see is that AI can be bad, but the only way you can fight AI is to either have AI or to destroy AI entirely, and you can't really trust it that if you destroy your AI that everyone else is going to destroy theirs, so you need to have your own. I might be looking to mesh it a little bit too heavy, but that's what I feel from the lyrics of it all. Thrown in with the idea of cat girls being a distraction from what AI can really do.
eyes, every choice is framed by a hidden hand's eye.
Yeah. Okay, so yes, that's Pasta. Go check out their stuff. Good solid work. I'm looking forward to see what they. Yeah, there was definitely a ton of work in it. I mean, from my own videos, I know how much effort goes into to get a fraction of the quality for those scenes, and I don't get anywhere near the level of matching beat to pulse of the songs that Pasta managed there with that song. Um, Mine is closer to the Bupela one, where it's about the scene matching the meaning, not matching the beat of the song. If you know what I mean. I mean, the entire video matched the meaning, but because it was fully customized, it fit very well. Whereas even with my own personal ones, there is a little bit of memery involved, even if it's like very dry British humour memery.